In this video, you'll learn how to convert Ethereum, or ETH, to fida using the Bitget platform. By following these steps, you will successfully complete the conversion process. Begin by navigating to the Bitget exchange website. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection to facilitate a smooth experience. Once the site loads, you will see the main interface with various options available for trading. Next, locate the trade option on the homepage. This is typically found in the main navigation bar at the top of the screen. Clicking on this will take you to the trading section where you can access different trading tools and options. After that, look for the convert and block trade option. This is usually positioned prominently within the trading interface. By selecting this option, you will enter the conversion area where you can exchange one cryptocurrency for another. Once this appears, click on the convert button. This action directs you to a new screen where you can specify the details of your conversion. Ensure that you have sufficient ETH in your account to proceed with the conversion. Next, find the From drop-down menu. This is where you will select the cryptocurrency you wish to convert from. Click on this drop-down to reveal a list of available cryptocurrencies. After that, select USDT from the list. This will set your starting point for the conversion process. Confirm that USDT is selected before moving on to the next step. Then type ETH into the search bar that appears. This allows you to quickly find Ethereum in the list of cryptocurrencies. Once you enter the text, you should see Ethereum displayed as an option. Click on F to confirm your selection. This action indicates that you want to convert your Ethereum to another cryptocurrency. Next, locate the To section. This is where you will specify the target cryptocurrency for your conversion. Click on this drop-down to see the available options. Once you are in the To section, select BTC from the list. This will help in specifying your conversion target. Confirm that BTC is selected before proceeding. Now type fida into the search field. This action will allow you to find the fida token quickly within the available cryptocurrencies. After that, click on fida to select it as your target cryptocurrency. Ensure that fida is highlighted in the selection area before proceeding. Next, find and click on the conversion rate option. This will display the current exchange rate between ETH and fida, allowing you to understand how much fida you will receive for your ETH. Finally, click on the convert button to complete the transaction. This action will process your conversion request. Depending on network conditions and your internet speed, the transaction may take a few moments to confirm. And there you have it. Thanks for watching and see you soon.